Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to get your default always on display back on Samsung S25. Let's begin. As you can see, currently we have this really nice looking pig. It's almost looking like a pig from the Gravity Falls, but we want to get rid of it. So in order to do that, we have to first unlock our phone, but I would have to know how to draw, and then you simply go to your settings. Here you scroll until you see themes, and you don't go to AODs, you go to the menu. In here you can go to my stuff, and in here you go to AODs. And as you can see, we can go from pink pig to default. We click OK. And as you can see, now we have our default always on display back. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.